daanan ni Kikay. Siyempre, Mimi, pakita mo. Okay, yung damit mo.
Driving up to midnight, driving to nowhere, bumping a slow song, can't get my head clear. Driving up to sunrise, headed to nowhere, hoping that someone's missing me somewhere. Driving, still trying, just trying to get my head right. It'll all be better when I just gotta get my head right. And it don't hit the same when you all alone in the mind. The same, I know it, it don't feel the void.
Dito po pala siya sa video ko. Napakita ko yun. Sa sightseeing kitang kulit.
They keep trying me, so I'm with all the bullshit.
Naiya po mo ba?
I keep pretending everyone's as good as me. Just so weird I cannot speak. Fought so hard I think I peaked. All my exes still love me. Call me up, he wanna freak. All my house looking distracted. How you copy and compete? Or you just mad that your nigga want me? Or you just mad that we went 10 weeks? Or you just mad that your ass ain't free? Scared to say shit so you think you keep. Scared to cut a nigga so I left ski ski. I ain't scared of shit so I swim my meat. I ain't scared of shit so I left my nose. Of my shit cause again I know. Driving up to midnight, driving nowhere. Bumping a slow song, can't get my head clear. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush. Now I might have wanna said too much, but that's all it was. So I gave it up. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush. I kept saying I'ma stay in touch, but that thing went bust. So I gave it up. Ooh, no tricks, no bluff. I'm just better off without the
Ayoko niyan. Ayoko niyan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Woo! Ano yan?
Small crab.
Hindi kaya kagating ganyan, boy.
Nasa nga?
Parang bagay.
Siguro nasa likod na nga lang ako.
Parang baho.
Ha?
Sinong kuya?
Yung kuyang tumigil sa atin nung kasunod natin silang...
True.
Gago, salamat sa kausap mo, boss.
Naging kapre pa nga. Merienda ng 2 a.m. Hindi 2 p.m. Sabag ko nga. Day, baka maiwan ka na naman daw ng bangka.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Kinakabahan na ba?
Video to. Video, video.
Gusto mo na umalis. Hindi ko
May sariling kanta eh. May sariling kanta eh.
Marceline, one more.
Oh no! Pinatay niya yung crab murderer, sabi mo. Cannibalismo!
Ako, dito muna, layo. Tayo, dito muna, layo. Baka pwede namang dito muna tayo hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay kahit dilaw. Habang tumidiin ang paa sa buhangin, tumitindi din ang pangarap na ako.
1, 2, 3, okay.
Kinakabahan na baka gusto mo nang umalis. Hindi ko malaman kung paano sasamahan.
Pagod na men. Paid by the hour. Ito pala format si Jonah.
Ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna ako. Ako, dito muna tayo. Tayo, dito muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna mawala ang gabi. Naglalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna ako.
Ayan na, si Sangre, Pirena. Shiva, Shiva, OMG. Pizza. We are on our way home from... Bakit matagpi-tagpi ako magsalita? We're on our way home from Zambales. We're gonna go back to Bulacan. Balik na kami sa Nakalubo. Kahit saan may traffic, guys. Traffic na sa Bulacan, traffic pa sa Apalit. Sana open yung Pulilan exit kasi... Or, magsasanda rito exit kami. Depende kay Kikay. Kung nakikita nyo ba sila Kikay? Ayun sila, oh. Ayan, si Kikay, si Tita Les. Bumibili sila kay Sian Chua ng protection. Hindi ko alam. Mga shadow weaver emerald. Hinihintay lang namin sila. Sila Lola naman, na dumaan ng sementeryo. Tapos, magpasalubong. Bumili ng pasalubong. Ay, alas ng salos. What is happening? Off to Shiro. Magkakanbay kami, guys. Nakabili kaya? O, hindi dapat bibili. Ay, saka pala to. Thank you. Ano to, Tita Les? Tumingin ako natin, Kikay.
Money magnet.
Money magnet. Sana hindi utang.
Para siya
Patapon.
Nakakapikong ka talaga.
Tuloy, gusto mo ka?
Ha?
Gusto mo, ayoko na.
Gusto niyo daw ba price? Ayun na lang, pre. Ayun na lang. Thank you. Ayun na.
Bulet! Stop! Bulet! Yan! Sakay ba niya?